Driving through the city where the lights don't shine, trying to find a reason or a peaceful sign. My mind is like an engine that won't ever slow. Where the tracks are leading, I don't really know. Empty streets are calling out my secret name, playing all the pieces of a losing game. I'm overwhelmed by shadows in the review glass, watching all the moments of my spirit pass. And the rhythm is the only thing I feel, trying to remember what is truly real. I'm a passenger of a runaway dream, floating down a dark and silent stream. I'm out of control, searching for the light, dancing through the middle of a lonely night. I need a hand to hold, I need a place to go, but the train is moving fast and the lights are low. Lost in the music, lost in the sound, waiting for my feet to touch the solid ground. I look at my mistakes like a broken song, wondering exactly where it all went wrong. I built a prison out of every single thought. Now I'm tangled in the web that I slowly rot. But the beat keeps moving and the soul stays deep. Promises to myself that I couldn't keep. Can you hear me calling in the heavy rain? Can you feel the rhythm of this hidden pain? I won't stop moving till I find the